Today we'll be fishing with the Max STX at my ponds. I'm not that educated on bait casters, but this is my first one. Right here I'm just throwing a simple jig with a Senko on the back. Just trying to get it in the right spot. Right over here by these trees with my spinning rod did an overhead cast and my line got stuck in the trees. That was one stupid thing I did when I started fishing. Learned to never do that over trees again. The fish aren't seeming like they want to come out today. Wasn't catching nothing, so then I went over to my tackle box and got a lipless crankbait. I wasn't catching nothing, so I went over to my tackle box and put on a lipless crank. This is my new winter tackle box that I created. It has some Senkos, jigs, crankbaits, lipless crankbaits. Now time to tie on the lipless crankbait. It was super cold, so I had to put my gloves back on. I had to adjust my bait caster to use this lure. I have never used a lipless bait caster, so I'm pretty excited to use it. Finally figured out and just seeing how the lipless crankbait works. Have yet never used one of these, so I'm excited for it. I will be doing some fishing videos and some collabs in the summer. Stay tuned. And that will be the end of this video.
Baby, welcome to the hood. If you with us, you good. Yeah, City, wooed up. Backpacks full of rude.